My name's Jade, welcome to my channel if you're new, or if you are returning then welcome back. So we're in a new month, which means a new unboxing video, and today we have the Glossybox May unboxing, and this month's theme is Let the Sun Shine. I am loving this box for this month. It is so nice. So Glossybox is a beauty subscription service, and every month you will get 5 hand-picked beauty products valued at around £50. Boxes do start getting dispatched from the 5th of every month, so everyone should have their box now, if not in the next few days. So Glossybox offer 5 different subscription types. You can have a monthly, you can have 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. If you aren't subscribed to Glossybox, you can subscribe for your first box using my discount code, and you will save yourself some money off your first box. I will leave all the details in the description box down below, links, codes and everything like that down in the description box. So if you are interested and you want to go and save yourself some money, you want to subscribe to Glossybox, you don't have to have a rolling monthly subscription. You could just go and get your first month at £11.50. So every month Glossy members will receive surveys to do. Once you've completed those surveys, you can put points into Glossy credits, and what you can get with Glossy credits is you can spend yourself some money on Look Fantastic, which is just amazing. So let's unbox this month's box. Let's see what is in this box for May. Before we do get into today's video, guys, if you do like this video, make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, you love watching my videos, you aren't subscribed, why not stick around, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to also click the notification bell as well, because then every time I do upload, you will get notified. But yeah, let's just jump into the unboxing. I'm really excited because this just looks like such a gorgeous box. So theme for this month is obviously Let the Sun Shine, all about summer. I mean, summer, we had some nice weather and now it's like really horrible again. It's gone miserable and rainy. So we have here, hey Glossies, summer is most definitely on its way. In no time at all, the sun will be shining everything, including us. We'll have a gorgeous golden glow. Our Let the Sun Shine Glossybox is bursting with makeup products as shimmering as the sun, as well as a summery scents that will transport you to tropical lands far away. You're sure to feel truly radiant this month. Glossybox do have a competition on at the moment. They're giving away a holiday with Jet2 holidays. So if you aren't subscribed and you want to be in the chance of winning a free holiday, then I think all you need to do is subscribe, and then you'll be automatically entered into a chance of winning a free holiday. I will leave the links down in the description box down below, so you can go head over and subscribe if you feel like subscribing to Glossybox. So let's have a look what we have for this month, guys. So first up, we have some After Sun. So we have the Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel. This is by the brand Mind Tan, and this is a deluxe mini. Deluxe mini, it looks quite a good size, that I would say. Save your skin from sunburn this summer with this Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel for faster, more effective relief that revitalizes skin. This gel is enriched with powerful key ingredients. So it's a natural anti-inflammatory. Aloe vera soothes while providing a protective layer to the skin. Lovely. So this deluxe mini, guys, is worth $13.35, and for a full size it's £28.60. So we have an After Sun, a gel, can't go wrong with that. So obviously it will be getting a bit warmer. We had some nice weather, didn't we? So I'm hoping the sun will be back soon. This is a Rapid Recovery After Sun Gel for dry or sunburned skin, enriched with soothing aloe vera and, I can't pronounce this word, but it begins with an N, niacinamide, I think that's what it says, to replenish and restore moisture. So it soothes and replenishes, it's fast acting, and it's for your face and body. So that's perfect. So first product, we have some After Sun. Then we have, the next product we have is a Gold Definer Liner. This is by Jade London. So I was surprised when I saw this. So this is a Gold Definer Liner. This is a line and define your eyes with Jade London Ultra Fine Precision Liner in a gorgeously golden shade, featuring a built-in sharpener in its base. This liner will always have the perfect point, ensuring it's always sharp and ready to use. So this is full size, guys. This is retails for £18. Let's get it out and let's have a look. So it's a gold shade. I've never used a gold liner before, I don't think. Oh, it's got a little seal on. Let's see if we can take that off. Oh, yeah. Ooh, how is that going to focus? How, oh yeah, how stunning is that? That's gorgeous, that. A gold liner. Let's just, oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see that, it's just really subtle. That's gorgeous, that. I love that. Gorgeous gold liner there, subtle but nice. Ooh, lovely. It says here, top tip for brighter eyes, use on the inner corners of your lids. So yeah, that'll be perfect on the inner corners of my lids. Do you know what? I'm going to actually try that. I'm going to just put a little bit on the inner corners of my eyes. Oh yes, can you see that? Use it as like a highlight. Did I say how much that was? £18. Yes. So next we have a really nice brand. I love this brand. We've had this a few times. This is the Rhode Dragon's Blood eye masks. So hydrating tone, depuffing biocellulose eye masks. Love a good eye mask. I love a good eye mask. So this is full size. It's £6 and it says here, brighten your eyes with these innovative gel eye masks. Great for providing intense hydration to your delicate eye area, as well as providing an immediate depuffing and cooling effect as a result of dragon's blood. Yeah, so love that. So I'm going to love this. Your eyes will look instantly brighter and more alert. So 100% love wearing these, and I've started wearing them more often now, and I've got quite a few. So I like to put these on either before I go to bed or when I'm going to do my makeup and I'm feeling, you know, I'm feeling tired and you just woke up and your eyes a bit puffy. Perfect to put those on, but obviously when it's going to be nice warmer weather, these are perfect. Perfect as well, perfect handy size to put in your handbag to take on holiday. If we're allowed to go on holiday, I don't even know. But yeah, so we have that. And then we have this product, guys, which I'm excited for because I don't think we've had a shower gel in the Glossybox for a while. I don't remember. So this is by a brand called Cushy Naturals. This is lemon shower gel. Looks really nice. Again, a brand I've never heard of. This is £5.70 and this smells unreal. I already smelled it because, oh my god, it smells like lemon sherbet and like, I don't know, like a lemon pie, lemon sherbet, lemon curd. Oh my god, I'm going to be smelling so lemony and just like summery and, you know, fresh. So this is a revitalizing shower gel with lemon extract that cleans and protects the skin, leaving a refreshing scent. This natural shower gel cleanses and protects the skin throughout the whole day with revitalizing lemon and calamine extracts. Carefully cleans up the skin while respecting your skin's natural pH, which is really good. So that's really nice. I'm really happy about that. So last product we have Lottie London. This is full-size product. This is the Power Foil Golden Hour. So it's a foil metallic eyeshadow. Really, really nice. I love Lottie London. Really nice brand. Really affordable brand. This is £6.95. And it says pack on the power with Power Foil. That was a tongue twister and a half. This versatile high coverage metallic gold eyeshadow is designed to give you an intense foil finish in just one swipe. Looks stunning, both blended out and natural and laid up to create a more glowy eye makeup look. Amazing. So it says here, top tip, layer up for a more striking glam look. I'm going to try and open it. Let's have a little peek. Gone everywhere. So it looks like this. It's falling all over the place. Looks like that. I've just literally spilt it everywhere. So let me just get a little bit from the lid. I'm gonna put it next to the little, oh wow. It said one swipe. That is literally amazing. Ooh, how nice is that? That feels so creamy and that feels so beautiful, guys. Oh, I love that. I'm really impressed by that. I'm really impressed by that. I'm excited to be using that, guys. So yeah, that is probably my favourite thing in the whole of this box for this month, I think. That is beautiful. That is so beautiful. We're going to be golden and glistening this summer, definitely. Even the inside of the box is just so pretty and colourful this month. We've got blue instead of our usual pink, and the little bow is yellow. Does anyone save their like Glossybox? Because I think it's so nice to save them, because especially like this one doesn't have like anything that says Glossybox on it. You can use these to like send people presents, so I always keep them and I reuse them. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be keeping this box because it is just so beautiful and I love the colours. So that was everything in this month's Glossybox, guys, for May. The theme being Let the Sun Shine. I absolutely love this box. I think it was a really good box, and I definitely think the Lottie London foil eyeshadow is my favourite, guys. 100%. That is a really nice product in there, and I'm so happy. I think everything's really nice. But I hope that you did enjoy this video, guys. If you did, make sure that you do give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Bye, guys.